What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, disruption, or destruction. Why it matters? It matters because every click relies on security. Assets are anything valuable in a system. Information, software, hardware, even your time and reputation, your Bitcoin, even your physical currency, it all goes away. Without cybersecurity, we can lose everything. Now let's dive into how we can protect that. CIA Triad, if you want to understand how defenders think. It all starts with three simple but powerful ideas: confidentiality, integrity, accessibility. Confidentiality. Confidentiality keeps private data out of the wrong hands by using strong passwords, encryption, and MFAs. Integrity. Integrity is about trust. Tools like hash checksums, digital signatures, and version control prove data hasn't been altered. Checksums and hashes, they are like a digital fingerprint. When you run them on a file, they create a string of numbers, which is their unique fingerprint. For example, 307BD3, the 2360 of 5R, so when you run the same hash locally, and it matches, that means the file is unchanged. Accessibility, making sure the services you need stay online. And if your defenses aren't ready, cyber attackers can overload your system's DDoS until they crash. Now that you have been briefed, it is time for your mission. Confidentiality. Where do you keep personal info, private passwords, messages, and photos? Integrity. How do you know what you read or download hasn't been tampered with? Accessibility. What would feel like a personal cyber attack if it suddenly went offline? Would it be your banking, cloud docs, or social apps? Congratulations! You have completed your first mission. Spotting these vulnerabilities in your own world is how you start to think like a defender. You've mapped the ground you're standing on. Now we'll meet the players. From white and black hats to hacktivists, cyber criminals, and even nation-state teams. Your next mission drops soon. Follow the Cyber Notebook to get your next mission delivered directly to you.